Good morning to all the men around the world. I have a message that titled, Why Good Men Suffer in Marriage. Because all the good men, they are confused, they don't know what is happening to them. They are wondering, they are asking themselves, why am I suffering in marriage? I have done everything right. Why am I in this mess? I want to tell you why good men suffer in marriage. They suffer because before they marry, they said something in their heart, in secret. They said that they will be a good father to their children. They said they will be a good husband to their wives. They said in their heart that they will not marry a second wife. That is why they suffer. Immediately they say this in their secret, Satan hijack it and push a wrong woman to them. Satan will hijack it and push a wrong woman to them. Because most men don't fast before they marry. Because most men don't pray before they marry. Women fast, they pray. They fast and pray. When they're looking for husband, you see them, they pray, fast, also pray. A good man will come their way. Satan will not use them and destroy that good man. Because most women, they are agents of Satan. Satan uses women to destroy men's life. That is why if you're a young man, you never marry, you're about to marry, you don't need your pastor, you need God. You have to go into fasting. You have to pray. Marriage is a serious matter. Men only pray when they are looking for money. They cry to God only when they are looking for money, when they are looking for establishment. That is the only time they pray. They don't consider marriage. They don't pray about marriage. You need prayer before you marry. And when I say prayer, you and your God, you need to start to pray at least twice every week. Fast. God, give me my own wife. Your destiny depends on the woman you marry. Your future depends on the woman you marry. Your life, your destiny, everything around your happiness depends on the woman and the children you have in life. So many men are sad. Good men, they suffer in marriage because they are good, because they are pure, because they are genuine. Because women are fake, it's easy for them to walk away. It's easy for them to take their children and walk away. But a good man cannot walk away easily because he loves the family sincerely. A good man suffers because he is genuine. A good man is pure. A good man is innocent. Because he wants to do things right. That is why he suffers. Satan hates people who want to do things right. Satan hates people who love sincerity. Satan hates them. That is why they use women to destroy men's life. You suffer because you are good. You suffer because you want to do things right. That is why good men suffer in marriage. Because you have been wondering, I've been doing things right. Why am I suffering in my marriage? What is happening to me? Women, they are agents of Satan. Satan used them to destroy men's life. Satan used them to rewrite your destiny for you. You see, I beg you, this message now is for the upcoming men who are yet to marry. I beg you, as you watch this my video message, send it to younger boys, younger men who are yet to marry. Send it to them that before you marry, you need your God. You have to fast. You see the way they find money with all your heart, they say, God help me, I need money. That is when you want to marry. It's the same energy you put in looking for money. Put the same energy when you're looking for a wife. So Satan will not package a wife for you. So Satan will not package a wife for you and make it as if, say, good man. Now, to become a good man is now and ever. No. To become a good man is a good thing. A good father is a good thing. A good husband is a good thing. Satan will rewrite it with bad women. I beg you. Share this video. Share this video to at least 10 people Don't watch my video and keep it. When you watch it, share it to other people. Anyone that concern men, share it to your fellow men. Anyone that concern women, share it to at least 10 women. What we want is solution in marriage. People ask me, what is my achievement? What do I have to gain? What I have to gain is peace in marriage, family value, happiness in marriage. You woman listening to me, watching this video, if God had given you a good man, if God had given you a good father, why not change your ways? Because it's a privilege to have a good man as a husband. It's a very big honor to have a good father, to have a good man as a father. Don't ask yourself, why am I suffering? You suffer because you are genuine. Satan attack good men. The Bible says in Psalm 34 that no matter how the good man suffer, you will get victory at the end of the day. That is my message to you. I say you will get victory at the end of the day. Because no time Satan will defeat God. The good will always defeat the bad. I love you. My name is Jane Felix Obonna. The only woman who wants men to be happy. The only woman who wants men to live long with good health. The only woman who wants women to respect their husband. The only woman who wants children to respect their father. The only woman who wants husband and wife to be in peace with their children, in their home. Life without a father is useless. Any home there is no father, that home is useless. Can check history. Any home there is no father figure, that home is useless. If you have a good man as a husband, if you have a good man as a father, please take care of him. A good man is more than diamond. A good man is more than wealth, more than money, more than anything in this, more than house, more than anything. A good father is worth more than diamond. Is worth more than anything. Money cannot buy a good man. Money cannot buy a good husband. Money cannot buy a good father. I beg you, take care of your good father if you have a good man in your side. Please, don't discourage good men. Women, I beg you, do not discourage a good man. Do not discourage a good man. Please. Men, good men, this message is for you. Don't be discouraged. At the end of the day, God will see you through. I love you. My YouTube channel, I have a YouTube channel. My message is now on YouTube. Jane Felix Obonna on YouTube. Jane Felix Obonna on Facebook. I have my Facebook page, Jane Felix Obonna. I love you. I love you with all my heart. Take care of yourself. All the good men around the world. May the peace of God that is above every other peace be with you and give you peace that you seek for in your home. In Jesus' mighty name I pray.